Hi everyone, this is a little tutorial on how to practice Kirtan Kriya. So Kirtan Kriya is a meditation practice rooted in the Kundalini tradition and has fairly recently been researched quite extensively by the Alzheimer's Research and Prevention Foundation, and is being touted, if you like, is being sold as the go-to practice to help your brain health. And essentially what you need to know is that it's never too soon to start looking after your brain, and it's also never too late. There's research to indicate that quite elderly gentlemen had significant improvements to their brain function after working with this meditation practice. And there is a white paper available with all the research results and studies. So it is a practice that is really growing in numbers and being offered in numerous settings to assist with maintaining cognitive function and improving brain function. So I like to think of it as brain yoga. It seems like it's a really simple thing to do. It's free. I'm putting this video out on YouTube because I just want to share this. To me, if there's something really simple that we can do to help our memories and to help our brain function and focus, why wouldn't we be doing it? It's a bit of a no-brainer, pardon the pun. So this is a little tutorial. It's my description of how to do it. There'll be others out there, but I stick to the guidelines of the ARPF, and here we go. So first of all, finding a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down if you prefer, but we do chant out loud. So probably being seated is preferential, but if you want to practice this lying down and just doing it in your head to help with sleep or something like that, then go right ahead. There's no rules here, but nice long spine, very helpful for getting the diaphragm to do its function and to help us breathe. So seated comfortably to begin with, and then we have a vocalization. We vocalize out loud for 2 minutes, then we whisper for 2 minutes, then we do a chant inside the head for 4 minutes in the whole practice, and then we whisper again for 2 minutes and then out loud again for 2 minutes. So the whole practice is 12 minutes, and I do have another video of the full 12-minute practice, and I also have another video of a 6-minute practice. Baby steps. If 12 minutes feels like it's going to be too much, start with baby steps. Probably better to do a little bit than none at all. Okay, so keep that in mind. So the chant is SaTaNaMa, and we enunciate clearly, so we get the tongue moving in the mouth. SaTaNaMa. And the idea being that we have many acupressure points in the roof of the mouth, and the tongue stimulates these acupressure points, stimulating the memory centers in the brain. So enunciating clearly, getting the mouth moving and getting the tongue moving. Now, personally, I find it easier to do that when I do the chant and whisper than when I do it out loud. So you see how you go, but definitely see if you can get the tongue moving in the mouth. And then added to the chant, we have a finger movement. So on the sa, we bring the thumb and the index finger together. On the ta, we bring the thumb and the middle finger together. On the Na, we bring the thumb and the ring finger together. And on the, what we got next, Ma, we bring the pinky finger and the thumb together. Okay, so it's Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Okay, now I quite often, when I teach this, I see people holding their hands up and, you know, concentrating really hard. So try and stay relaxed. Bring the hands down onto the floor. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Okay, and if you have arthritis in your fingers or your hands and it's hard to bring the fingertips together, then bring the fingertips to your thighs and push each fingertip into your thighs on each syllable. Okay? Sa, ta, na, ma. Okay? So it's in that order. Sa, ta, na, ma. Hands are relaxed. And there are several music accompaniments to this chant, and one that I use in my class I found on Spotify. Just search for SaTaNaMa or Kirtan Kriya. The ARPF, the Alzheimer's Research and Prevention Foundation, also offer music and the whole meditation practice, and that can be purchased on their website, arpf.com. So if you want to have some musical accompaniment, there is that is available out there, or you can go over to my other video with the 6-minute and the 12-minute practice. So ideally you practice this every day. And I would suggest you practice it for a week, a month, whatever. See if you notice any difference in how you feel, your anxiety levels, how you're feeling with sleep. I have lots of students that tell me that they chant this in their head to help them go to sleep at night. It's a great practice to work with, to focus the mind and really exercise the brain. And that's the whole idea of it. We're working that grey matter and exercising the brain. So give it a go and don't dismiss it. Don't feel self-conscious chanting. What have you got to lose? Give it a go. Okay, thank you for joining me. Oh, and don't forget, I'm Tracy Drake, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, have fun.